When it comes to cooking, having the right cookware can make all the difference. Whether you're boiling pasta, steaming vegetables, or simmering a hearty soup, this Cuisinart 4-piece cookware set is designed to meet all your culinary needs. Crafted from professional-grade stainless steel, this 12-quart stockpot delivers outstanding performance with exceptional durability. But does this cookware set truly live up to its reputation? In this detailed and engaging review, we'll explore its features, benefits, and real-world usability to help you determine whether it's the right choice for your kitchen. Key features of the Cuisinart 4-piece cookware set. Premium stainless steel construction. Resistant to discoloration and does not react with food. Aluminum encapsulated base ensures even heat distribution and eliminates hot spots. Versatile 4-piece set. Includes a stockpot, pasta insert, steamer basket, and a tight-fitting lid. Cool grip handles. Solid stainless steel riveted handles stay cool on the stovetop. Drip-free pouring. A tapered rim allows for smooth, mess-free serving. Flavor-locking lid. Retains moisture and nutrients for enhanced flavors. Oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Can be used in ovens, broilers, and freezers. Dishwasher-safe. Easy to clean and maintain for long-term use. In-depth review, performance and usability. Number 1. Material and build quality. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Cookware Set features a mirror-finish stainless steel exterior, giving it a sleek, professional look that complements any kitchen. Unlike non-stick cookware, this 1810 stainless steel won't react with acidic foods, making it safe for cooking everything from tomato-based sauces to citrus-glazed dishes. The aluminum encapsulated base is a major highlight as it ensures fast and even heating while eliminating hot spots. Whether you're searing, simmering, or boiling, you'll notice consistent results every time. Number 2. Cooking performance. This cookware set excels in heat retention and distribution, making it perfect for a variety of cooking techniques. The pasta insert allows you to cook and drain pasta effortlessly, while the steamer basket is perfect for vegetables, seafood, and dumplings. Additionally, the tight-fitting lid traps steam and moisture, helping retain the natural flavors and nutrients in your food. Number 3. Ease of use and comfort. The cool grip handles provide a secure and comfortable hold, ensuring safe lifting and pouring. Unlike cheaper cookware, these handles are riveted for durability, preventing them from loosening over time. The tapered rim also allows for drip-free pouring, eliminating messes on your countertop. Number 4. Versatility and compatibility. One of the biggest advantages of this cookware set is its multifunctional design. It's compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction cooktops. Additionally, it's oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to transfer dishes from the stovetop to the oven without switching pots. Number 5. Cleaning and maintenance. Unlike non-stick cookware, stainless steel requires proper care to maintain its shine and prevent food from sticking. However, the Cuisinart 4-piece cookware set is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. Just avoid using harsh steel wool to protect the mirror finish. Pros and cons. Pros. Durable stainless steel construction for long-lasting performance. Aluminum encapsulated base ensures even heat distribution. Includes pasta insert and steamer basket for added convenience. Cool grip handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. Dishwasher-safe and easy to maintain. Oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit for added versatility. Cons. Slightly heavier than non-stick cookware. Stainless steel requires seasoning to prevent food from sticking. Premium price point, but worth the investment for serious cooks. Who should buy this cookware set? Home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. If you enjoy cooking and want professional-grade cookware, this set is perfect for you. Health-conscious individuals. Stainless steel is free from harmful coatings found in non-stick pans. Families and entertainers. The 12-quart capacity is ideal for large meals and gatherings. Serious chefs and professionals offer superior performance compared to standard cookware. Final verdict. Is the Cuisinart 4-piece cookware set worth it? Absolutely. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic 4-piece cookware set is a high-quality, durable, and versatile option for any kitchen. With its superior heat distribution, ergonomic design, and multifunctional components, this set is a valuable investment for home chefs and professionals alike. Whether you're cooking pasta, steaming vegetables, or preparing soups and stews, This cookware set delivers exceptional performance every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.